Pour this into your fabric softener. I've been doing this for years, and it has never let me down, which is why it's worth trying this trick. Let me show you how to do it. Fill a cap with fabric softener, choosing one with your favorite scent. Pour it into a jug, then add 1.5 cups of alcohol. To these two ingredients, add 7 ounces of water. Mix everything well. Then pour the mixture into a spray bottle. You can also add a few cloves. They offer numerous benefits thanks to the active compounds they contain, like eugenol. Let the mixture soak for about an hour to strengthen its effect. After that, spray your sofa and bedroom. It will release a pleasant fragrance. This solution also works great for spraying your doormat at the entrance of your home, helping the scent spread throughout the house for a long time. This trick is not only effective, but also easy to make with products you probably already have at home.